That's right, ski trip time. What's going on, guys? As you can see, that whole trip up was a nightmare. There was so much snow in lower Michigan, and oddly enough, no snow on the roads up in northern Michigan. So that was pretty cool. We're up north of the cabin. Let's get ready and go skiing. Whoa. Look at that, guys. We're ready to go. I'm going to head out. I'll probably catch up with you guys in the morning because it's dark and nighttime and, well, won't be good for filming. Gonna go ride, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Hey, what up? What's up, dude? We out here.
Saw, dude.
Well, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I know it's a little bit short. I also didn't film as much as I would have liked while we were out skiing and snowboarding, but it was a lot of fun, and you know, when you're having fun, you forget to film and you just want to enjoy your time out there. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't yet. Car season is coming up quickly, so there will be a lot of things to do with the M3. I'm already signed up for some drift events, and we have a bunch of stuff planned. Already have our spring and summer rallies launched, and a ton of cool content coming as soon as the weather warms up. But for now, we'll get videos here and there, and you know, we'll see what we can do. I have school to worry about and a lot of other stuff, a lot of side projects, so we'll see what I can post, but I'm trying to keep posting videos for you guys. Thank you for your support so far. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.